Are we wondering about the yearly maintenance for Salitre?
Yeah.
Were you wondering?
Yeah.
Oh.
You bet.
Good thing we got one, huh?
Yeah.
Things are in a bit of a disarray here because we cleaned out this little clubby hole. Clubby? Tongue got in the way of that word. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. In order to dig out the loose plaster from the Salitre. I haven't done this one since 2011. So it was time. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Un otro día, personas en mi canal YouTube dice, Jerry, su español es muy mal.
Oh, calma.
Es verdad. Still got to clean that up from doing the roof. And did a little bit of this last year and decided to do it all and do it right this year. This spot is a yearly project, although last year we did it down here lower. You can still see a little bit right there where we did it, and it worked. So just more fine Salitre solution.
Oye, viví mi español bien.
Sí. No es verdad. And we got a tiny little bit there. Where else was it? Oh, over here. A year ago, we did all of this right here and right here. And there was a bunch here. And it's all held up very well, except for this one spot right here. This is fine Salitre, in case you're wondering. If you're going to set your own house. Fine Salitre. Fine Salitre, replastered and primered. This is replastered, but it has to dry a couple of days before we primer it. Buen trabajo. Mucho, you see.
Escalera, dos de escalera subir.
Sí.
Echar.
¿Problemas con los rodillos?
No, es que nomás subir y bajar con escalera.
Okay. We found more hiding behind the cabinet. In 2011 and 2012, we laid all of this floor in the whole house on the main floor. And we never did this because I was going to change the stairs over there. I was going to put them here, go up, have a landing there, another landing there, and then enclose this area right here and make a pantry door from the kitchen. But probably never going to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and do the floor here after 13, 14 years. I've cut all the soclo, mopboard. Maestro, mucho trabajo. ¿Usted sabe mucho?
Nada.
¿Ah?
Poco.
¿Necesita pregunta, Jaime?
No, bien. Come on.
Jaime is his big brother. Sometimes has to call him and ask him what to do. Who are you waving at?
One.
You're really beautiful today.
Hola, Lynn, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
Jerry de llave para la...
¿Dónde está aquí?
Lynn, look at me. You are just... I'm falling in love. Juan just finished grouting the new tile on the floor here. Lynn and I always called this the cat room because when we had cats, that's where we kept the cat box. My paint didn't match. Old paint on the wall, new paint out of the bucket. After years, it doesn't match. Looking good. That's got to dry on the floor overnight, and then he'll do the top of the mop board tomorrow. My little Harbor Freight tile saw. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I bought it before I moved to Mexico. And it's cut a lot of tile. It's also cut a lot of rocks when we cut them up before putting them in our rock tumbler. That's the rock tumbler. I think it's called a 15-pound tumbler. And in here, we have buckets full of polished rocks. At one point, I thought I was going to make a fountain out of them, but the water evaporates and makes them all dingy, so I just never got around to doing that. This is a thunder egg from Oregon. I've got a 5-gallon bucket of those we've never cracked open. Those, I believe, are, oops, spilling out. Those are garnets. Unprocessed garnets. There's one with some agate in it. Anyway, tiger eye. If you go back to some of my videos from 10 years ago, see a lot more of this stuff. I'm in my 5th bathroom, which we just use for a storage area. And we got buckets and buckets full of rocks. More rocks. Some polished, some not. That's a bucket full of unpolished rocks. That gas tank goes to a 6-horsepower Johnson outboard, which is packed back under there somewhere. That gas tank it's for the boat motor. It's the only thing I ever had trouble when I imported my stuff from the United States to Mexico. They had a fit about an empty gas tank for some reason. We got all the Salitre fixed over there. First coat of paint. Old paint that's faded from the sun and new paint out of a bucket you've had for a year. It's never a perfect color match. And we found another place to work on. I pressure washed the blue apron of the pool this morning, getting ready to put another coat of blue on that. Hi, Lynn.
Hi, Barry.
Are you just here observing the work?
No, I'm resting from cutting behind that big plant over there.
What big plant over there?
That yellow and green one.
Oh, yeah, I see. You have some more clippings in the grass.
And I'm taking a break from that. I got my armpit all cut up.
Lynn, you have to be nicer to Lynn. You hear me? Oh, look at that. Come on. You, stay away from the cactus.
That's where the weeds are. What's a girl to do?
A girl's to stay away from the cactus. And up there too, huh? Arriba?
Sí, arriba también.
Well, we got the living room green wall all painted all the way around. Looking good. Oh, what's that? Oh. Oh. More food for the mantis. Where'd it go? Oh, what's that? Wait, hang on. Yes. He molted, and he's much bigger. Oh, we're gonna get a, grab it. You missed it. You'll get it. As you know, if you watched a couple of videos ago, Lynn has a pet mantis, and I'm out in the flowers looking for a butterfly to feed it. It's become a daily chore. He's a hungry little guy. Ooh, I got one. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.